Hey guys, so in today's video, we're talking about how to treat painful feet during pregnancy. Hey guys, it's me, Dr. Nooreen, your resident foot and ankle specialist, and welcome back to my channel. First, you guys, let's briefly talk about why your feet can be painful during pregnancy. I also talk about this in more detail in a previous video, so go check that out if you would like to. But a quick explanation is that your body releases a hormone called relaxin that leads to ligamentous laxity or loose ligaments. And in the foot or ankle, this leads to a wider foot, a longer foot, and fallen arches. Then that can then lead to painful feet. And when that happens, your arch can start to collapse and not be as supported as it once was. So how do we treat foot and ankle pain during pregnancy? So treatment consists of supporting your foot and ankle. So how do we do that? One of the first things we can do is not to walk barefoot. Wearing house slippers can be very helpful, especially a sandal that is supportive. So don't walk barefoot. Wear supportive sandals at home. I have a video in full detail about what a good house slipper is in this video. So if you want more details about that, go check it out. You also want to wear good supportive shoes. And again, I have a video explaining that in detail. So if you want more details about what is a good supportive shoe, go check out that video here. You may also need to look into custom orthotics for added arch support if your pain is really bad. You guys, you can also get foot massages. Painful, achy feet always feel better after a good foot massage. And finally, you guys, you can ice and elevate your feet after a long day. I hope those tips were helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. And as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to stretch and subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.